Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you noticed something? AI is everywhere. It's writing articles, it's making art, it's even helping doctors. But how is AI becoming so useful, so fast? It's not always giant tech companies building everything from scratch. There's a secret weapon. It's called an AI wrapper. Today we're diving into the amazing rise of AI wrappers. What are they? Why are they exploding? And how are they changing your world? Stick around. This is a game changer. So, what is an AI wrapper? Imagine a super powerful car engine. This engine is like a big AI model. Think GPT-4, Google's Gemini, or Claude. These models are smart, very smart. But an engine alone isn't a car, right? You need a body, wheels, a steering wheel. That's what an AI wrapper does. An AI wrapper takes that powerful AI engine. Then it builds a special tool around it. It adds an easy-to-use interface. It adds specific knowledge for a certain job. Maybe it's a wrapper for lawyers. It helps them with legal documents. Maybe it's for artists. It helps them create amazing images. Or for coders, helping them write software super fast. These wrappers make powerful AI useful for you. They wrap the complex AI in something simple. Okay, so why are we seeing so many AI wrappers now? It's like a perfect storm. First, those big AI engines, they're more available. Companies like OpenAI and Google let others use them. It's through something called an API. Think of it like a special access pass. Second, it's cheaper and faster. Building a giant AI model costs billions. Most companies can't do that. But building a wrapper? Much more doable. They can create new tools quickly. Get them to people like you and me. Third, people want specific AI tools. A general AI is cool. But a doctor needs an AI for medical tasks. A writer needs an AI for storytelling. Wrappers give us these specialized tools. They solve real problems in real industries. This is why the AI wrapper market is booming. Let's look at some cool examples. You might even use some of these. In software writing, there are tools like Windsurf and Cursor. These act like super smart coding partners. They help developers write code much faster. Windsurf even got a $3 billion offer from OpenAI. That shows how valuable these wrappers are. Then there's design. Figma, a popular design tool, is adding AI. They have AI that turns designs into working websites, AI that helps create content that matches your brand. All inside the tool designers already love. Content creation is also being transformed. Descript uses AI to make video editing easier. It can remove filler words automatically. It can even clone your voice, with your permission, of course. And get this, there are even meta apps. These are wrappers that work across many apps. Imagine Granola. It records your Zoom calls or meetings. Then you can ask it questions about what was said, like having a perfect memory, a second brain, or Whisperflow. It's smart dictation for your Mac. It follows you everywhere you type. And then there's Devin. It's like an AI software engineer you can hire. These meta apps are becoming essential. They weave AI into our daily digital lives. The rise of AI wrappers is truly making AI practical. So, how do these AI wrapper companies succeed? What's their secret sauce? First, speed is key. They build and release new features fast, like Windsurf, releasing updates every few weeks. Being quick helps them grab the market. Second, data is super important. Wrappers collect data about specific user needs. If you build an AI wrapper for farmers, you learn about farming data. This special data helps them make their AI even better. It can even help them build their own, cheaper AI later. Data becomes their competitive edge. Third, they focus on user experience, making the tool easy and enjoyable to use. Even if two wrappers use the same AI engine, the one that's simpler and more helpful will win. A great AI wrapper feels like magic. Now, there's an interesting thing happening. The big AI model makers, like OpenAI or Google, they make money when wrappers use their AI a lot. More usage means more fees for them, but the AI wrapper companies want the opposite. Using the big AI costs them money, so they try to use it efficiently or find cheaper ways. This creates a bit of a tug of war. What could happen? Sometimes, the big AI companies might buy successful wrappers, like OpenAI wanting to buy Windsurf. Or, wrapper companies might start building their own smaller, custom AIs, especially if they have lots of that special data we talked about. It's a dynamic space, always changing. This tension fuels even more innovation in AI wrappers. There's another exciting trend: open source AI. These are AI models you can often download and run them on your own computer. Models like Meta's Llama are an example. Why is this cool for AI wrappers? First, privacy. Your data stays with you. It doesn't go to a big company's cloud. Second, speed. No internet lag. It can also be cheaper in the long run. Imagine an AI wrapper like Sparkle. It wants to organize all the files on your Mac. Using a local open-source AI means it's private and fast. It understands your files without sending them anywhere. This open-source movement is giving more power to builders and to you, the user. So, what's the future of AI wrappers? It's incredibly bright. We'll see even more specialized wrappers. Tools for every job, every industry you can imagine. Those meta apps will get smarter. AI will be woven more deeply into our lives, helping us seamlessly. The best part? This isn't just for big tech. The rise of AI wrappers means more people can build with AI. If you have an idea, if you're an expert in something, you can combine your knowledge with AI. You can build a tool to help others. The barrier to creating AI solutions is lower than ever. So, here's a thought for you. What problem in your life or your job could an AI wrapper solve? Think about it. The possibilities are endless. This is an exciting time to be alive. So that's the scoop on the amazing rise of AI wrappers. They're the key to unlocking AI's power for everyone, making complex AI simple and useful, from coding to art to organizing your life. What AI wrapper are you most excited about? Or what AI wrapper do you wish existed? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more deep dives into the future of tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.